guy. Juan, when I was listening to him just now, Pedro, you probably will have heard this too. It was just the most beautiful and perfect musical architecture that was going on. It was really something, really something. The other thing you need to know is we have done well over 100 shows, and his pride won't let him play the same solo ever again. So every night there's something completely new and something completely new invention. So when I say, I want to say it, and I don't want to go and upset you, but I want to say it because I love you. And when I say you're the best guitarist in the world, I really do mean that. This whole group up here, they are about as much of a super group as you possibly can. The next piece we're going to go and do, Pedro, are you there? Will you give him give him a little light up there? Oh. All right. Now, a long time ago, there was this beautiful country called Venezuela. It's still a beautiful country. And Pedro is a representative of Venezuela. We have a few representatives of Venezuela in our group. But he plays this instrument, this is the duduk, which is pre-Christian. It's Armenian. It's just a stick with a hole in it and some reed at the end. But it's like all of us can play it. I mean, all of us can buy it and all of us can play it. But what we can't do is we can't make it translate what is in our hearts directly into the reed. And that's what he does.